In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace Type K thermocouples in your L&L electric kiln. Type K thermocouples are a reliable way to measure the temperature in your kiln, but over time they will degrade and will need to be replaced. There is no exact figure for how many firings a thermocouple will last, but in general we recommend replacing them at the same time as your elements. When ordering a replacement thermocouple, you will receive ceramic spacers, 2 screws, and the thermocouple itself. Before performing any maintenance, always make sure your kiln is unplugged, or the circuit breaker is turned off. To access the thermocouples, you must first open the element box mounted on the side of the kiln. Start by removing these 2 upper screws to open the outer control panel. Once opened, disconnect the thermocouple wires from the right-hand side of the terminal strip. Make sure to take pictures as you go, to help reinstall everything properly. Once these wires are disconnected, you can remove the screws from the right-hand side of the element box, allowing it to swing open. Here, you will find the thermocouples. Loosen the terminal screws to remove the wires and check them for oxidation. If oxidized, clip off and strip the ends. Next, remove the 2 screws and ceramic spacers mounting the thermocouple to the side of the kiln, and remove the thermocouple. If you have older protection tubes with closed ends, empty them of any metallic oxides that may have flaked off of the aging thermocouple. Mount the new thermocouples with the included screws and ceramic spacers. Reattach the wires and feed them back through the element box into the control panel. At this stage, you can remount the element box to the side of the kiln. Plug the thermocouple wires back into the terminal strip. Refer to your photos to make sure everything is in the proper order. Once everything is plugged in, you can close the outer control panel. You have successfully replaced your Type K thermocouples. For more kiln maintenance, repairs, and tutorials, be sure to visit L&L's website at hotkilns.com.